Welcome to Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In this session, we will cover how to insert a picture in a slide, how to insert picture in a shape, how to insert picture as a background of the slide. First, let's enter the title of the slide. There are various ways in which you can incorporate pictures in a slide. First, go to Insert tab and click on Pictures. Select the picture you want to add and click on Insert. You can adjust the picture shape. You can add effects to the picture. Go to the Format option under Picture Tools. Select a style from the ones displayed in Picture Styles. Place the picture as per your preference. You can also add pictures in shapes. First, select and draw the shape. Go to the Shape Fill option under Drawing Tools. Click on Picture. You can add picture from a file on your PC. Or, you can search for a picture online. Then select a picture and click on Insert. You can further style it as you prefer. Here is another way to add picture in a shape. Draw the shape. Go to Insert and click on Pictures. Select a picture and click on Insert. Place the picture in the shape. You can add text inside the shape as shown in the previous lesson. Apply the desired effects to the text. You can erase the background of an image. Click on the image. Go to the Format option under Picture Tools and select Remove Background. The areas colored in pink will be erased. Select the option, mark areas to keep, and drag the cursor over the image to make the selection. After the selection is complete, click on Keep Changes. It may now look like one picture. However, all the components in the picture are separate objects. To convert it to a single object, select the entire image. Go to Format option under the Picture tools and click on the option group. All the components are now grouped to make one picture. You can still edit the picture. Double-click on one component and move it aside. You can now make the changes. Kindly note that it is still one entire object that has just been adjusted. A picture can also be transformed into a background for your presentation. First, let's make the title a little more attractive. Now, right-click on the slide and click on Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill, and then click on Insert. Select a picture you want as your background and click on Insert. You can adjust the transparency to focus on the text. To apply the background to all the slides, click on Apply to All. Time for a short recap. To insert a picture, go to Insert tab. Click on Pictures. Select the picture and click on Insert. To insert picture in a shape, first insert a shape. Click on Shape Fill and then Pictures. Select the picture and click on Insert. Method 2. Draw a shape. Go to Insert and click on Pictures. Select a picture and click on Insert. Place the picture on the shape. Add text. Select all. Go to Picture Tools, Format, and click on Group. To add picture as background, right-click on the slide. Click on Format Background. Select Picture or Pattern Fill and insert a picture. Adjust the transparency and click on Apply to All. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.